5 beauty uses for baking soda that may surprise you. Sunburn relief. We know we need to wear sunscreen and hats, but we can occasionally overbake because we are human. Mix cool water with the baking soda until it makes a paste. Apply it over the burn until the heat has lessened. Rinse with cool water afterwards, or cancel all of your plans and sit in a tub of ice. Dry shampoo alternative. Dry shampoos are all the rage. I have a friend who gets a blowout once a week and then makes it last with powdery no pools. It is a genius lazy girl hack. Even more genius, the fact that the expensive brands can be replaced with your simple box of bicarbonate. Make sure not to place it directly on your scalp, but rather apply the powder carefully by placing it in your hands first. You don't want your friends wondering if it is snowing outside. Makeup brush cleaner. If baking soda can work as dry shampoo, why can't it do the same for your makeup brushes? It works even better as a soak. Put warm water and a couple of teaspoons in baking soda in a tall glass. The measurements aren't incredibly important as long as you don't drink it. Soak for 20 minutes and leave the brushes to dry. Deodorant. Confession. When I first became a yoga teacher, I became really granola. So granola that I made my own deodorant, which included coconut oil and baking soda. Did it work? Sure, if I wasn't doing anything too vigorous. Yes, if it wasn't a sweltering day. If you plan on sweating, bring baking soda in the box for touch-ups or use your normal natural deodorant. This will assure that you don't walk around offending people. Stinky food cleaner. If baking soda can keep the smell of cat food from leaking into your vegetables in the fridge, why can't it help to improve the situation of one of your stinkiest body parts? I'm referring, of course, to the feet. You can even science project the situation with apple cider vinegar and baking soda, which some believe can help to fight fungal infections. At the very least, you will be more likely to get a foot massage from your partner when you're watching TV.